Wait a minute, madam.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, madam.
Yes, can you hear me and see me properly?
Yes, ma'am. You are visible and I can hear your voice.
Okay, so first of all, good afternoon, and how are you doing?
Very good afternoon, ma'am. I'm doing well. How about you, madam?
Yes, I'm pretty well. Thank you for asking.
Yes, madam.
So, this is our first call, so I would like to know a little bit about you.
Madam, my name is Niranjan Patra. I'm from Odisha, Mayurbhanj, and currently I'm in a government job.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a teacher, madam.
So, in government job, you are a teacher.
Yes, madam.
Okay, great.
Yes, madam. Thank you.
Uh,
Madam,
mhm.
yeah, it's my first video conversation in English, madam, so I'm a bit nervous.
Okay, okay. No need to be nervous because, yeah, what will happen? You can make mistakes in front of me also.
Yes,
Because I am
madam.
also not very fluent in this language. I'm also learning. So you can make
Mhm.
mistakes. That is okay. No need to be nervous.
Madam, I don't even know how to use you know,
Mm-hmm.
this app properly.
Okay, okay. No issue.
And where are you from, madam? Can I know about you, please?
Yes, yes. Let me introduce myself. So my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal. And if I'll talk about my qualifications, so I have done engineering in IT branch, and currently I'm a working professional in one of the software company. And
Acha,
simultaneously, I'm running my YouTube also. Yeah, that's all about me.
acha. Madam, what made you think that you should have a YouTube channel?
Okay, so to be honest, when I was working in my company, so I was not confident enough to talk with different people because in my company I have to speak in English language only. So I was scaring a lot that time. I had no confidence that I can talk with any people, even my colleagues and manager. So I think I should upload my videos or I should shoot my videos in front of camera so that it would be very helpful method for me to improve my confidence level. So that's why I started my channel, and yeah, now it is continuously going on.
Madam, did not you think you will be afraid of doing such things, or you will fear while speaking, or you will not have enough confidence?
Yes, yes. In the starting, I struggled a lot. Even for shooting, 10 minutes of video, I spent a lot of my time for just making one video. I was shooting like after many retake. I was doing a lot of hard work, I can say that time. Uh, so yeah, in starting it happens. You feel very nervous also, and you feel about other people also, what they will think, and if they will give you the wrong comment and like negative feedback, so automatic our motivation get down, like why I'm doing this such things. So
Yes.
it happened with me also, but I never give up, to be honest, and I thought maybe people are just watching and giving any kind of comment. So I'm just taking the positive comment, and I continued my journey, and now I'm here.
Acha, madam, how much time do you give to this spoken English practice?
Okay, actually, I don't give much time because I don't get much time apart from my work. So I'm just trying to make one conversation in a day, and other than that, I try to listen some content at least 15 to half an hour, you can say.
Mm. Madam, to be honest, I'm a teacher and I'm a teacher in an English medium school. And
Okay. Mm-hmm.
to be honest, when I joined, it's been only 6 months since I got this job. It's
Mm-hmm.
been only 6 months, and in my job, it is compulsory to be fluent in English, to speak English. You have to speak Hindi very little, but most
Okay.
of most of the time you have to speak in English, communicate with students.
Mm-hmm.
So unless you are a good English speaker, and how can your students learn from you? So that makes me feel very sad and a little bit demotivated. I feel sometimes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I can totally understand. And yeah, this is, I think you have to learn this language because now you have to teach your kids also. And if you will be confident enough in this language, then you can teach other people also. So yeah, I think it's good that you are learning English. So are you facing any challenges as of now?
Yes, madam. Whenever I try to speak in English in classes also,
Mm-hmm.
I feel I'm running out of words and I know I cannot think of any words how to speak this, how to express my feelings or whatever going on inside my mind. I cannot express it properly.
Mm-hmm. Yes. So okay. So may I ask, like, when did you started learning?
Madam, to be honest, English is the only subject I was good at since my schooling, and
Okay.
that's why I decided to make a career in English.
Mm-hmm.
And to be honest, I was very good at writing. Still, I'm very good at writing or describing something. But when it comes to speaking English, that too fluently,
Mm-hmm.
so that's where I'm falling behind, madam.
Yeah, it generally happens because we didn't try to speak before. Like when you have done your schooling and your college, everything. So maybe you are not speaking in that time, right?
Madam, do you know Odisha, you know, madam?
Yes, yes, I have heard.
Uh, Odisha, their local language is Odia, madam.
Mm-hmm.
So I was studying in a Odia medium school, so English was spoken very little.
Mm-hmm.
Our teachers also used to speak in Odia. They used to communicate with us in Odia language, and
Yes.
there was only English was only a subject there, nothing more
Mm-hmm.
than that. And we were not exposed to that much level where we can talk in English or communicate with others in English. But right now, if you look at other 6, 7, 8 class students,
Mm-hmm.
they speak more fluently. So that's what make me feel ki even I should start practicing this and I should have fluency over this language.
Yes, because they are getting environment and we didn't get this kind of environment. So that's why even I have done my schooling in Hindi medium. And after that, when I, joined my company, that time I realized that how much important English is. Because now I have to connect with different kind of people who are living in different states, different countries. So how we can connect with them if we don't know English language? And still I hesitate sometimes because they are very fluent and they have this native language English, so
Yes, madam.
they are very good at English, and when I speak with them I feel like I am speaking basic English and they are very advanced in this language. So I have to become like them.
Yes, madam. Even it happens with me also. And whenever I whenever I'm watching something on YouTube also in English,
Hmm.
I mark these words and I say, I wish I can speak in such fluency. And it feels bad that I'm also a teacher, but I don't have that much fluency in English. And I try to do something so that my English will be improved. So, and yesterday I was watching one of my friend's videos. He was
Okay.
doing such a conversation, and
Hmm.
I asked him, "What are you doing?" He said, "I'm doing this and to improve my English." So I said, "I am also suffering from the same problem, so I need to
Okay.
do it also." So I told him that right now I don't have YouTube channel, but for my improvement, I can practice.
Yes, yes. You can. I think you can mail any of the YouTuber if you don't want to become YouTuber, and I don't think so. It is required or necessary. But if you really want to improve your English, you can find any kind of partner. And now we have multiple groups in WhatsApp on. Skype in multiple places. So you can join any kind of group also. So you can find people very easily to connect with.
Madam, how did you get to know about this Skype app and all these conversation stuffs?
Okay. Actually, I had joined Clappingo session first. That
Acha,
is
that
paid.
is spoken English app, right?
Mm-hmm. But that is paid application. So I took some of the session there, and yeah, I
It
got
was
some.
helpful, madam. The sessions were helpful.
Yes, it is helpful, but to be honest, I had taken very small subscription, or I can say 15 minutes a day in a week only. So
Mhm.
I was not improving that much because it is quite expensive also, this
Mhm.
application, according to me. So I thought I cannot afford too much just for English language. So that's why I quit. And yeah, when I uploaded that kind of conversation, so I was getting email from with different learners also, like they want to connect with me. So from that time onwards, I'm connecting with different kind of learners also. So it is also kind of helpful for me because I'm getting environment to talk with them. So yeah, if you want, you can also do this thing. You can connect with any people.
Acha, madam, right now what you said that you do not have environment, I'm also having same problem because I do not have anybody to speak with in English. So that's why only it is going inside my mind. Ki, yeah, I have to speak in English. I have to speak in English, but nothing in practical life is happening.
Yes, so as I told you that you can join any kind of English group also. So there you can find any kind of partner also with whom you can practice. So I think from there you can get partner to speak with.
Madam, are you working from home or you still go to your office?
I'm working from home.
Acha. Madam, so you are well settled now?
Yes, yes, I'm working in my company also, and in my leisure time, I just try to make videos and doing this kind of conversation also.
Acha. Madam, what made you so motivated to learn some new language or to get fluency over this language?
Okay, so as I told you that in my company I have to speak in English all the time, so I faced a
Acha,
lot of
acha, right.
challenges.
Yes, madam, I remember.
So that's why I thought I think I should improve my communication skills. That's why I have done all this kind of stuff.
Madam, but being an English teacher, talking about myself, being an English teacher,
Hmm. Hello. Hello.